Hi dearest, today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap your Alice band in the most professional way, and it is so easy for everyone to get to understand the tricks on how to do it. There are some various tricks you might not have known that I'll be showing you in this video, and it's a short video, so stick around with me. And before we start, I would like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment and share this video. Okay, so what you'll be needing is your Alice band, of course, and if you have not watched the video on It's Falling, you need to watch it so that you know how to attach your elastic band around the edges so that you can dance and do whatever you want to do on you with your fascinator and it doesn't drop off. I would drop it at the end of the video and also drop a link in the description. Besides that, you need to get what you're going to be using to wrap it. In this instance, I'm making use of bias, and then you'll be needing your uhu gum and your scissors. Let's begin. So the first thing, which is very critical, is that you need to measure the material you want to use to wrap your Alice band. And I have noticed that once you make it at least twice the size of the Alice band, be sure you're not going to start wrapping and the next thing what you cut out to wrap has finished and you now start to get another one. No, you would be able to finish up real well. So now I'm measuring my Alice band from the beginning to the end, and I'm adding another layer of the bias to make it twice, and I just decided to give it a little boost a bit, and I cut it. Now if you say you would wrap it while you still have the long coiled up thread, you would have issues in wrapping. You need to cut out just the size that you need to be able to wrap up your Alice band properly. Now the next thing you want to do is to put little glue on the first layer of the material you're using to wrap. In this instance, I'm using bias, and then you place it at the tip. Now the reason why you have to attach your elastic band first of all before you start wrapping is it will assist you to also wrap the place that you have sewed your Alice band to it. Now as I said, I have the video on how to attach your elastic band to your Alice band, and I will drop the link below. Now you start wrapping it in the loop method. Now after you have gone some bits, then you put more uhu gum. Ensure you're not putting too much so it doesn't stain the material you are using to wrap up your Alice band, and you keep going on. Keep watching and learning. Now I would be dropping the links of all the items that we used in the description of this video. So if you can't get it in your local store, you would have Amazon links, AliExpress links. Also, YouTube has given us a choice to be tagging the items on the video. I would also search for that and see how I can tag to make it easy for you to get all the products if you cannot find it in your local store. Now I made use of this Alice band to make this lovely Christmas crinoline fascinator. Now if you want to get to watch it, do let me know in the comment section below that you are waiting for the Christmas crinoline fascinator, and I believe you would see it tomorrow.